while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Madness. Today's video is going to be how to shave down there, also known as how to shave your vagina. Today's video is really helpful and a lot of people wanted me to do this video. So if you like it, subscribe to my channel for more subjects of course you need.
Some girls are using brown to get rid of excess hair, but I don't like this method because it's extremely difficult. So, using a shaver blade is the easiest method I have ever used. You can use a shaver like this. It's designed specially for down there. Or shave down there by using a shaving blade like Gillette Girls. It's always available in pharmacies. Now, I will use the rose water to calm my skin. I hope you guys like my video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.